Alright, just testing. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm just checking out this area. I believe it's safe to go up all the way. I just kind of want to get an idea of what we're facing here, because this is the road that girl, she ran down to meet the neighbors in January. I'm gonna just stay on the road too. Okay. I want to go up all the way, maximize it. It's a curved road, which is interesting to me. So, she would have wrapped around the curved road. I can't go up any higher, huh? So it's just interesting to me. Whoa, I don't want to. I just want to stay on the road area. I don't really want to fly over anybody's property exactly. But she went to the road, and then she only had to go get to the neighbor's house, as far as I understand. So she didn't have to go very far. It just happened to be good luck. So maybe where my car is positioned, that's pretty much as far as she made it before somebody talked to her. But this is the property, the area, and it's just densely forested. You can't even see the main road I got on, or I turned off of. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's just a vast forest with houses in between. Okay. I just find it interesting. Alright, I got. Oh, I hear an airplane. I'm coming down. Yep, I hear an airplane. Or it's a Harley Davidson. One of the two. Okay, I want to avoid that power line, and I know that there's one also. In front. Maybe I could just fly underneath it. Now I hope I don't hit any cars. I don't see any cars. Okay, I'm only 5 feet away. Alright, so I'm approaching my car. Very cautiously though. I think it's the shadow that's messing with the. I can hear it. But yeah, she would have desperately run. Yeah, my drone is being a little extra cautious. She would have desperately run down this road to get away from the house. Um, yeah, my drone just should almost put it in sport mode, but that's still a little risky. So yeah, she probably wasn't a straight run. It's probably as cautious as this drone is running. So from this house, actually down further, she would have run down this road. Just trying to, not seeing any clear houses, because the houses are so like they're buried. They're buried in between all these trees, so that really had to be scary for her to like find somebody so quickly in January. You don't just like look at how hard it is to see these houses. Just don't see. You just don't see houses very easily around here. In these parts, so there's a certain scary element to it.